Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about plant physiology, the important questions. I'm so sorry I could not upload the videos for a while. I was not keeping well. I think my voice still now is not that good. But yes, of course, I got many messages, comments, ma'am, you are not making, आप कब बना रहे हो अगला video for 10th and all. So I thought of, doing this topic today. सो इट्स प्लांट फिजियोलॉजी हमने अभी तक जो डिस्कस किया है दैट इज प्लांट फिजियोलॉजी वी हैव डिस्कस्ड ऑल द इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स एज ऑफ नाउ फ्रॉम द चैप्टर एब्जॉर्प्शन बाय रूट्स ट्रांसपीरेशन एंड फोटोसिंथेसिस इस वीडियो में विल इन डिटेल टॉक अबाउट द इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस from all these three chapters absorption by roots transpiration and photosynthesis. I have jotted down the questions from actually all the questions which were there from these three chapters, basically five markers from all the previous board papers. So we will be discussing all the questions in this video, and in our next video we'll see how to solve or how to give the answers for good marks in the paper from the same questions. Yeah, I'll be taking new questions for फॉर योर रेफरेंस. तो आपके पास ये वाले क्वेश्चंस भी हो जाएंगे सॉल्व करने के लिए, और अगले वीडियो में आपको कुछ और नए क्वेश्चंस मिलेंगे फॉर सॉल्विंग. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. Or again, I start the topic. I would like you to subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed, and if you like the content, please do share it. इसको शेयर करो प्लीज़ बेटा. आप देख रहे हो 50,000 भी नहीं पहुंच रहे हैं और स्टक हो गया है 43,000 का. जितना शेयर कर सकते हो प्लीज़ शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स, शेयर इट ऑन व्हाट्सएप, शेयर इट ऑन फेसबुक, सो वेयर एवर यू कैन. दैट वुड बी ग्रेट हेल्प. सो वी मूव टू आवर मेन टॉपिक. सबसे पहले मैंने लिया है सिलेबस. Now herein you get the syllabus of absorption by roots, transpiration and photosynthesis. These three are on your screen. इसमें से जो portion remove हुआ है for these 2020 exams, that is यहाँ पे जो plant physiology है वहाँ पे एक additional आया था प्लांट हॉर्मोन्स करके, कंट्रोल एंड कोऑर्डिनेशन इन प्लांट्स, वो रिमूव कर दिया है उन्होंने फिलहाल इस ईयर के लिए. सो वो नहीं है. सिर्फ एब्जॉर्प्शन बाय रूट्स, ट्रांसपिरेशन और फोटोसिंथेसिस जो जनरल टॉपिक्स थे वो सारे वैसे के वैसे हैं. चैप्टर के बीच में से कुछ भी रिमूव नहीं किया गया. एवरीथिंग इज इंटैक्ट. स्टार्ट विद बोर्ड 2019. 2019 से हम शुरू करेंगे, करते 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 हम 2016 तक जाएंगे. So 2019, I'll show you the questions which were there in our previous papers. Herein, both the questions are 5 markers. I'll show you the next one also. Both the questions are 5 markers. That means एक ही पेपर में 10 नंबर का question was from these 3 chapters. And 10 नंबर के साथ these were 10 marks, 5 plus 5. But yes, of course, you would have scattered questions here and there. 1 marker में कहीं पे name the following maybe, या फिर MCQs, या फिर true and false. तो कहीं ना कहीं scattered होगा. तो around 15 to 20 marks paper from these 3 chapters. That is absorption by roots, transpiration and photosynthesis. So what do we have here in this question? Very simple question. नेम द फैक्टर्स स्टडीड इन द एक्सपेरिमेंट. अब जैसे ही आप देखोगे कि यहाँ पेपर क्लिप ब्लैक पेपर लगा है, आपको एकदम समझ आ जाना चाहिए दैट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सनलाइट इज नेसेसरी फॉर द प्रोसेस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस. वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी दैट. सो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी द फैक्टर सनलाइट. व्हाट विल यू ऑब्जर्व इन द एक्सपेरिमेंटल लीफ आफ्टर द स्टार्च टेस्ट. सो यू नीड टू टेल कि पेपर के नीचे और बाहर वाले में क्या चेंज आने वाला है. Explain the process of photosynthesis. Simple definition. Give a balanced equation. You need to write the equation. Draw a neat and clean diagram of experimental setup to show that oxygen is released during photosynthesis. मतलब यहाँ पे they have asked you another experiment. सिर्फ उसका डायग्राम बनाना है आपको. एंड जब हम आगे मूव करेंगे वीडियो में तो मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी कि 1 साल में वो पूरा एक्सपेरिमेंटल सेटअप आया हुआ है ऐसे ही. तो हेयर इन यू जस्ट नीड टू मेक दैट हाइड्रिला वाला डायग्राम जहां ऑक्सीजन रिलीज हो रही है. सो दिस इज हाउ द पेपर्स आर देयर. दे गिव यू वन देखो बेटा, जब मैंने वीडियो फॉर द सेम आई हैव मेड कंप्लीट वीडियोस स्टेटिंग कि कौन कौन से जो है एक्सपेरिमेंटल क्वेश्चंस है, कौन कौन से एक्सपेरिमेंट्स को कैसे लिखना है, वो सारा आई हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन. डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में यू विल गेट द लिंक टू द होल सिलेबस ऑफ ग्रेड 10th ICSE. साथ ही के साथ आई विल ऑल्सो गिव यू लिंक्स फॉर सेपरेट प्लेलिस्ट। मैंने हर एक जैसे प्लांट फिजियोलॉजी के लिए एक सेपरेट प्लेलिस्ट है, सेल डिवीजन जेनेटिक्स के लिए अलग सेपरेट है, तो उन सब के लिंक्स मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे रही हूँ। यू कैन गो थ्रू दोज लिंक्स, एक बार दोबारा से रिवाइज करो, एक बार दोबारा से सारे चैप्टर्स पढ़ो ताकि आपको अच्छे से पता चल जाए। सो क्वेश्चन विच इज अगेन फ्रॉम 2019, देखो ये वाला क्वेश्चन भी 5 मार्कर है, कंपल्सरी क्वेश्चन है 5 मार्कर दोनों ही, दैट मीन्स 10 मार्क्स। So this is from transpiration. Name the process which is being studied. Simple. Transpiration. Define. दो parts में divide कर दिया उन्होंने. So you need to define. Why is the pot enclosed in a rubber sheet? Mention two external factors which accelerate the process. अब देखो अगर आपका process गलत आप बता दोगे तो अगले सारे question गलत हो जाएंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि वहां पे process लिखा है, transpiration नहीं लिखा है. तो until and unless आपको पता है कि they are talking about transpiration, you will not be able to answer the other questions. List two adaptations of the plant to reduce the above process and draw a neat diagram of stomatal apparatus. Now you can clearly see that in a structural question they have asked you to draw the diagram as well. So stomata का diagram, chloroplast का diagram and certain experimental setups, वो वाला diagrams they are very very important for drawing as well. तो आपको उस हिसाब से practice करनी है. Moving to the sample paper 2019, ये latest sample paper है. They have not uploaded any sample paper for 2020 as of now. जैसे ही 2020 का sample paper upload होगा, I'll be making a video for that also. लेकिन अभी कुछ भी नहीं है available, तो इसलिए I have taken this sample paper 2019 जो latest sample paper है. So herein also you can see that in one paper, in one sample paper they have given full fledged, there are 3, एक और question है, तो they have given 3 questions from plant physiology. First you can see the diagrammatic question, that is from photosynthesis जिसमें CO2 का factor is studied. Second you can see is from transpiration and I'll show you the third one also. Third one is also a paragraph based question and that is from absorption by roots, that's a 5 marker. So this is a sample paper in which they have given 3. तो herein यहीं से आपको अंदाजा हो सकता है sample paper से that what kind of questions, that means full 5 marker questions are going to be there in the paper from this whole unit. This whole unit is very 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 important. अगर आपको you have to revise this whole unit again, please go to the description, see the link, click on the link and you will see that I have made separate videos for everything. एक एक करके सारे videos को देखना, you will understand everything. We move to board paper 2018. So 2018 also 2 questions, 5 markers each from plant physiology. First question is this on your screen, that is we are studying the process of transpiration here. Fine. So उसके related देखो physiological process transpiration है. Why oil is added? Oil is added to prevent evaporation. When placed in bright sunlight for hours, what do you observe? To give suitable explanation, what happens to the level of water when the setup is placed in humid and windy conditions? Fine. So I'm so sorry. Mention 3 adaptations found in plants to overcome the process and also explain guttation. So एक ही question में they have given you multiple topics from plant physiology. That means they have given you one 5 marker, but they have covered multiple other topics from plant physiology also. Fine. Say next question, that is board 2018, again a 5 marker. Here also you can see that this is a variegated leaf. जैसे ही variegated leaf, we see variegated leaf, so we should know that this experiment is done for checking that chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. So again we see the questions which follow. Which aspect of photosynthesis? Chlorophyll is necessary. Represent the process of photosynthesis by a balanced equation. हमेशा याद रखो बेटा, photosynthesis का question आएगा तो equation जरूर आएगी. Make the equation 4-5 times, balance it and hence learn the equation properly so that you can answer. Why was the plant kept in dark before beginning of the experiment? To destarch. What will be the result of the starch performed on A when you show when you take the diagram? You have to show it in a diagram. Fine. Draw a neat diagram of chloroplast. Again, एक structural question में there was stomata. एक structural question में there was a setup. Third question में there is a chloroplast का diagram. So, with every structural question, you see that there is one or the other diagram to make. Fine. So, please practice your diagrams for drawing as well. We move to our next year, board 2017. So here also two questions from plant physiology. एक ये वाला question, एक जो मैं आपको next दिखाऊंगी. Here it is the question from absorption by roots where we talk about osmosis. क्या दिखाई दे रहा है यहाँ? Plasmolysis. The state which is shown, that's plasmolysis. Name the structure which act as selectively permeable membrane. Here the cell membrane. Parts label karo 1, 2, 3, 4. How can the above cell be brought back to original condition when we will again place it in water? What is the scientific term given to it? That is deplasmolysis. State any two features of the plant cell which is not present in animal cell. Very, very simple. Cell wall and chloroplast. So, very simple questions, but yes, of course, from plant physiology only. So, we'll move to our next question. That's again board 2017. Second question. That means here also 10 marks directly from plant physiology. The question here states the diagram represents the relation between mouse and physiology, one physiological process. ठीक है, occurs which only occurs in green plants दिया है, तो फिर photosynthesis के अलावा कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Fine. So green plants is kept and the mouse is alive. Explain the process. Photosynthesis जब तक होती रहेगी, ऑक्सीजन बनती रहेगी. फोटोसिंथेसिस होना बंद हो जाएगी, ऑक्सीजन निकलना बंद हो जाएगी एंड द माउस विल डाई. ये इसका कंक्लूजन है. नाउ रीड द क्वेश्चंस. नेम द फिजियोलॉजिकल प्रोसेस फोटोसिंथेसिस. एक्सप्लेन द फिजियोलॉजिकल प्रोसेस फोटोसिंथेसिस का डेफिनेशन. व्हाई डिड द माउस डाई इन द बेल jar? Because bell jar B actually, because there is no plant, no oxygen. What is the significance of the process stated for life on earth? Here you need to explain. Represent the above mentioned physiological process in the form of a chemical equation. Again you see photosynthesis का question है तो chemical equation पूछा हुआ है. So that means if it's a photosynthesis का question, you need to make a chemical equation. Then we move to board 2016. Again, two questions from plant physiology. This is the first one and we have another also. So again, this is a root hair diagram, a very, very important question I may say, because ये वाला question, थोड़ा सा, you need to think. If you have not done it, you need to think. And yes, of course, this is a very important question. Name the parts indicated by 1 to 4. You have to label it. Which is the process that enables the passage of the water from the soil to the root hairs? Name the pressure that is responsible. Now herein, सारे के सारे questions, they are related to absorption by roots. Fine. So again, last question में, draw a label diagram of root hair as it would appear if excess fertilizer is added to the soil. Now if excess fertilizer will be added to the soil, the root hair will lose water and will just droop down. So आपको कैसा एक drooping root hair बनाना है यहाँ पे. So again you can see that with the structural question there is a diagram which is asked to make. So next question is board 2016. Board 2016 में बेटा उन्होंने 3 questions दिए हैं from plant physiology. This is the second. We have one more now. That's Genong's पोटोमीटर. देख के ही पता लग रहा है. तो Genong's पोटोमीटर पे मैंने एक स्पेसिफिक वीडियो बनाया है, सारे क्वेश्चंस वहाँ पे डिस्कस किए हैं, सारे आंसर्स वहाँ पे डिस्कस किए हैं. यू कैन गो थ्रू दैट वीडियो ताकि आपको क्लियरली पता हो कि Genong's पोटोमीटर अगर आ जाए, what type of questions will be there and how to answer those questions. Name the apparatus, which phenomena is demonstrated, explain the phenomena. State 2 limitations also and importance of the bubble in the experiment. Very important question. Name the structure in the plant through which above process takes place. Stomata. So this is how you answer. Board 2016 last question, 5 marker. That means सीधा का सीधा 15 marks का paper is from plant physiology. ये वाला diagram should have been drawn 2019 में. जो क्वेश्चन मैंने आपको फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन दिखाया जिसमें बोला कि ड्रॉ अ डायग्राम विच शोज दैट ऑक्सीजन इज रिलेटेड रिलीज ड्यूरिंग फोटो, ये वाला एक्सपेरिमेंटल सेटअप उसमें बनेगा. फाइन. सो अगेन द क्वेश्चंस दैट फॉलो the questions that follow are from the chapter photosynthesis. Go through the questions, try to solve it. I have given you multiple questions from board 2019 to 2016. Pause the screen again and again, take screenshots and solve these questions and just see wherever you stand. We will be next I'll just give you a gist. Very important questions again. At least 2 experimental questions from plant physiology are there in all board papers. Definitions are very, very important from these 3 chapters. 2019 में there are 2 questions, 18 में 2, 17 में 1 from plasmolysis and 1 from experiment on photosynthesis. 2016 में there are 3 questions from plant physiology. तो अगर 3 नहीं आएंगे तो एटलीस्ट 2 तो आने ही आने हैं. So these were all the important questions from the previous board papers, chapter absorption by roots, transpiration and photosynthesis. In our next video, I will share my screen. I will show you how to write the answers to questions which come from these chapters, absorption by roots, photosynthesis and transpiration, how you should answer and get full marks. सो कीप वॉचिंग, लाइकिंग, शेयरिंग, सब्सक्राइबिंग. और जिन्होंने नहीं शेयर किया है वो अच्छे से शेयर करो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, अपने फैमिली रिलेटिव्स के साथ, अपने ग्रुप्स में, ताकि वो भी आगे शेयर करें. और प्लीज़ ये सब्सक्राइबर्स को 1 लाख तक पहुंचाओ. आई थॉट 50,000 हो जाएंगे इस ईयर, बट नो, बट येस, ऑफ कोर्स आई ट्रस्ट यू. सो कीप वॉचिंग, लाइकिंग, शेयरिंग एंड सब्सक्राइबिंग. थैंक यू. बाय.